John back at the porch job and got the insulation to finish up this wall. Alright, Pro Cutters. So I'm back out at the porch job and just a little bit more progress done today. Mainly was out here because I needed to get tools for an emergency job for tomorrow. But you can see I finished up the last couple pieces of sheetrock. I spackled some of the screw heads, but the mesh tape is out in the truck. And are you happy, Brian? Brian's Lois Hills Homestead. I didn't put a seam here, but there is one on this side because there was just a small patch. But so, get back over here on Wednesday. What's going on, Pro Cutters? Out here at the Four Season Room job, and I've got help today. Got David Adams out here with me, and I just cut down the casing for the doors, and I'm working on some of the sheetrock spackle, and I got David up under the porch putting in insulation. Say hey, Dave.
What's up, guys?
You were supposed to say hey, Dave.
Hey, Dave.
So we're getting after it over here, guys. Alright, so I've got another coat of spackle on. I've got all the upper and lower window casings cut. Still got to cut all my verticals, which that's that wood right there. I've been inside the house now, measured for flooring in there, measured and took pictures of the existing trim in the house so I can match the crown mold and door trim and window trim and base mold in this room with everything that's in the existing house, because they're eventually going to be taking out these doors, so it'll be all open into here. So, one step closer to being done, and David's got the whole floor insulated, and so now that joker is like a Yeti cooler. I will be putting the HVAC in soon. So stay tuned for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.
What's up, guys? So what we're doing here is we're taking the insulation, we're getting our flanges folded out on each side. So we're gonna take the staple gun after we get our flanges fixed. We're gonna staple those to the floor joists. So the R19 insulation is gonna fill the gap in between the joists, and we're gonna staple each flange to the edge of the joist here. And that's gonna give us a good base floor insulation.
Right on.